Let me explain why Share a Pamphlet has introduced its digital edition. For many years, Share a Pamphlet worked on shared distribution, where printing and distribution costs were shared so that advertising remained affordable for local businesses. Today the situation has changed. Traditional advertising has become expensive, and digital marketing feels confusing and complicated for many business owners. Most local businesses want digital visibility, but without technical headaches. That is why Share a Pamphlet has launched its digital edition called Screens. Screens is designed specially for local businesses who want simple, practical digital promotion. At the heart of Screens is a very simple idea called the shared promotion model. It simply means, I promote you, you promote me, and everyone benefits together. In today's competitive market, small businesses cannot survive alone. If small fishes do not come together, bigger players in the market will eventually swallow them. Shared promotion helps small businesses stand strong together. In Screens, there is one very important rule. Each page contains only one advertisement. There are no multiple ads on the same page, so every business gets full attention. Now let me explain how this works with a simple example. Suppose there are 10 advertisers who have joined one Screens edition. In this case, we do not create just one digital magazine. We create 10 different digital copies. Each copy contains 10 pages, and each page features one advertiser. The inside pages of all copies are the same. Each advertiser has their own dedicated page inside every copy. Now here is the most important part. For each advertiser, we create one branded copy. In your branded copy, the front page belongs to you. It is clearly written that this Screens edition is sponsored by your business. So in your own copy, your advertisement appears twice. Once on the front page as the sponsor, and once again on your inside page. You then promote your own branded copy to your customers, WhatsApp contacts, and groups, telling them that the Screens edition is sponsored by your business. When you promote your copy, you are promoting yourself, and at the same time, you are also promoting all the other advertisers included inside that copy. Every other advertiser does the same with their own branded copy. So everyone promotes everyone else automatically. This is why it is called the shared promotion model. Along with this, Screens also promotes random branded copies from time to time, so that visibility remains fair and continuous as the number of advertisers grows. Another very important advantage of Screens is that the advertisements are completely interactive. Your advertisement is not just an image. It can include YouTube videos, animation effects, click-to-call buttons, click-to-WhatsApp links, website links, and even direct YouTube links. So your advertisement becomes a complete digital experience for the customer, not a static ad. To summarize, with Screens you get a full-page advertisement, a branded front page, interactive digital promotion, WhatsApp inquiries, and the power of shared digital marketing, without any technical complexity. This is Screens, the digital edition of Share a Pamphlet. For more details, you can contact us on 8097079707. Your advertisement is not just a page, it becomes part of a promotion network.